After placing an instance with Informed Design in Revit, designers can effortlessly tailor the customizable attributes in conformance with the manufacturer's rules. Access the instance's form from the ribbon to inspect its current values and modify as needed. Once applied, these changes trigger the creation of a corresponding product variation, which seamlessly replaces the designated instance. Enjoy the flexibility to iterate on design at will, confident that product customization choices remain compliant and valid.